friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Are you a big fan of cheese balls? Do you hate veggies? We have the perfect recipe that's super cheesy and filled with vegetables. Trust us, this healthy cauliflower broccoli cheese ball will make you change your thoughts. Crunchy on the outside, soft and gooey on the inside. A perfect dish to kickstart your day. Check the description box below for the list of ingredients.
Also, we have some quick links if you would like to buy any of these ingredients.
Let's prepare the vegan egg. Mix 2 tablespoon chai seeds with 6 tablespoon water and set aside for 10 minutes. In a mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of flaxseed meal, grated broccoli, grated cauliflower, almond flour, baking powder, our homemade roasted garlic powder, Italian seasoning, red chili flakes, salt, grated mozzarella cheese. Mix well with a spoon or your hands. Add half of the prepared chai seed mixture at a time and mix well. Scoop dough.
Heat oil. Add the reserved flaxseed meal on a plate and set it aside. Form
Scoop dough
into small balls. Dust balls in flaxseed meal.
Fry cauliflower broccoli cheese balls until golden brown on all the sides. Make sure that the oil temperature is medium heat. This is because if the oil is too cold, the cheese balls will take too long to cook and will be oily. And if it's too hot, the cheese will melt. Drain on lined plate. Transfer to serving dish. Serve warm with Greek yogurt dip. Watch our suggested video that pops up to make a lip-smacking Greek yogurt dip. Enjoy anytime, anywhere. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye.